Turning passion into profit, conquering the fear. Many people love their hobbies. These activities bring joy, relaxation, and a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's painting a beautiful landscape, knitting a cozy scarf, or crafting a unique piece of furniture, hobbies are a wonderful way to express creativity and unwind from the stresses of daily life. Hobbies are fun and relaxing. They provide a much-needed escape and a chance to focus on something purely for the joy of it. The satisfaction of creating something with your own hands is unparalleled. But what if you could make money doing what you love? Imagine turning that joy and relaxation into a source of income. Selling handmade goods at a local market or showcasing your products online can be the first step towards a fulfilling business. Many people dream of turning their passion into profit. They envision a life where their work doesn't feel like work, where they wake up excited to start the day because they are doing what they love. They imagine leaving their jobs and becoming their own bosses. The freedom to set their own schedules, make their own decisions, and build something they are truly passionate about is incredibly appealing. It's a great dream, but many are afraid to try. The fear of failure, the uncertainty of income, and the potential loss of the joy they find in their hobby can be paralyzing. They fear that turning their passion into a job will ruin it. The pressure to make money might take away the fun and relaxation that their hobby once provided. They worry that the joy will disappear. The thought of their beloved hobby becoming a source of stress and frustration is daunting. Don't let fear stop you. While these concerns are valid, they shouldn't hold you back from exploring the possibilities. With the right approach, you can maintain the joy and passion while also making a profit. It's possible to love what you do for work. Many have found a balance, turning their hobbies into successful businesses without losing the joy they initially found in them. Millions of people have turned their hobbies into successful businesses. They have discovered that with careful planning and a positive mindset, it's possible to thrive both personally and professionally. They found a way to make money and still love their passions. The key is to start small, test the waters, and gradually build your business while keeping the joy alive. Turning your passion into a business can be amazing. Celebrating milestones, receiving positive feedback, and seeing your hard work pay off can be incredibly rewarding. You can set your own hours. The flexibility to work when you are most productive and to take breaks when needed can greatly enhance your quality of life. You can be your own boss. Making decisions that align with your values and vision can be empowering and fulfilling. You can do what you love every single day. Imagine waking up each morning excited to dive into your work, knowing that you are building something meaningful and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to take the leap. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards can be immense. Turn your passion into a side hustle. Start small, dedicate a few hours a week, and see how it feels to blend your hobby with a business mindset. See how you like it. Experiment with different approaches, gather feedback, and refine your process. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it. The satisfaction of seeing your passion resonate with others and generate income can be incredibly fulfilling. Success stories, from hobbyists to entrepreneurs. Think about it. Every great business starts with a simple idea, a spark of passion. It's the journey from a hobby to a thriving enterprise that makes these stories so inspiring. What do you love to do? Do you love to bake? Imagine turning your kitchen into a mini bakery, where the aroma of freshly baked goods fills the air. Maybe you love to knit. Picture yourself creating beautiful handmade scarves and sweaters, each stitch a labor of love. Or perhaps you are great at photography, capturing moments, freezing time with your lens, and sharing your unique perspective with the world. Whatever your passion is, there is a way to make money from it. Take baking, for example. It starts with a love for creating delicious treats. There are countless stories of home bakers turning their passion into profit. They experiment with recipes, perfect their craft, and soon their creations are in high demand. They start by selling cakes to friends and family. Word of mouth spreads, and soon they have a loyal customer base. Then they expand to local farmers markets and events. Each sale is a step closer to their dream. Before they know it, they have a thriving business. Their hobby has transformed into a full-fledged enterprise. Or maybe you love photography. Your journey can be just as rewarding. You can sell your photos online. Platforms like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto provide a marketplace for your creativity. Websites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto allow you to sell images to businesses and individuals. Your photos can be used in advertisements, websites, and more. You can also offer photography services for events like weddings and birthdays. Capturing special moments for others can be incredibly fulfilling. These are just a couple of examples. There are countless others. From crafting to consulting, the possibilities are endless. People are making money from everything from knitting to woodworking to playing video games. Each hobby has the potential to become a profitable venture. If you have a passion and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, you can do it too. The key is to start small, stay dedicated, and let your passion guide you. With hard work and perseverance, your hobby can become your livelihood. Thanks for watching Money Mavericks. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Your support helps us bring you more inspiring content. The blueprint: launching your hobby-based business. So how do you get started? The journey from a hobbyist to a business owner can seem daunting, but it's a path filled with excitement and potential. It's simpler than you might think. With the right approach and mindset, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. First, you need to identify your passion. This is the foundation of your business. What do you love to do? What activities make you lose track of time because you're so engrossed in them? What are you good at? Your skills and talents are the building blocks of your business. Once you know your passion, you need to find a way to monetize it. This means thinking creatively about how your hobby can generate income. Think about your skills and talents. How can they be transformed into products or services that people are willing to pay for? Can you sell products related to your hobby? Maybe you can create something unique that others would love to buy. Can you offer services based on your expertise? Perhaps you can teach others or provide a service that leverages your skills. Do your research and see what others are doing. Look at similar businesses and learn from their successes and mistakes. Get creative and think outside the box. Innovation can set your business apart from the competition. Once you have an idea, it's time to validate it. This means testing your concept to see if there's a real market for it. Share your idea with friends and family. Get their feedback. They can provide valuable insights and help you refine your concept. Is there a demand for what you're offering? Conduct surveys or small tests to gauge interest. Are people willing to pay for it? Understanding your market's willingness to pay is crucial for pricing your products or services. Next, you need to create a plan. This plan will be your roadmap to success. This plan should include your target audience, your pricing strategy, and your marketing plan. Knowing who your customers are and how to reach them is key. Don't be afraid to start small. Many successful businesses began as small projects or side hustles. You don't need to quit your day job just yet. Starting small allows you to test the waters without taking on too much risk. Start your business as a side hustle and grow it gradually. As you gain more customers and confidence, you can expand your operations and eventually transition to full-time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Money Mavericks for more tips on turning your passion into profit. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below.